Hello folks, welcome back. Here with me today is recently acclaimed mystery and crime author Alan Wright. His new novel, The Cruelest Nature, recently hit New York's bestsellers list. Nice to have you on, Alan.
It's nice to be here.
So tell us a bit about your novel.
Well, you see, it's kind of a story of a wife who figures out that her husband has been cheating on her with her best friend for several years. So, of course, like every normal wife would, she kills her husband and chooses to enact a revenge on her best friend.
Wow, sounds intense. Now, I heard you had to do a lot of research for this novel, so walk me through that creative process.
Most of my stories are based on real life events in my life, you know. But this one I kind of had to do a little bit of research. I had to read books written by detectives and about serial killers. I kind of really wanted to get in the mind of the serial killer and the detective. I wanted to know, you know, what could they miss? What could they do to get away a little bit more with their crime? I just wanted to craft the perfect crime, find a way where the person could get away with, ideally, what happens in this book.
With all your research, do you think someone could actually commit the perfect crime?
Of course not. This isn't, you know, How to Get Away with Murder, Dexter, any of the shows that you watch. This is, you know, this is real life. Most of these crimes don't succeed because of human failure. 99.9% of the time, it's because of something that a human does, a mistake, you know. Anything from, you know, dental records. Blood. You know, even some people don't know how to hide the body. To hide or possibly even destroy a body, you know, no man, let alone woman, could do something like that. Took the sad and dull life of this person, put it into the character, you know, their sadness, their sadness, their overall desperation for love from people.
Hello, Sarah.
Come right up.
I brought a bottle of wine.
For Claudia, I took
Is
characteristics.
Alan here?
No, his interview with Nadia Black is just airing right now.
I see.
Well, thank you very much for joining us this evening.
Well, thank you for having me. I'd like to thank, you know, my wife, who's always inspiring me and always on my side for my writing.
How is it?
It's really good.
I'm glad, Sasha.
I'm serious. I think your cooking skills are really coming up to par. Where did you find this recipe?
Just an old culinary textbook.